So we have the third list. Let's see. It's capped batsman. Who comes first in this list? The first player is player number 19, David Warner. For David Warner, I am asking just 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs for David Warner. Okay, Gujarat Titans, 200 lakhs. Who's coming up? Next, 200 lakhs. David Warner. 220 KKR. 240 Titans. 260 KKR. 280. 300. 300. 320 GD. 340 KKR. 360 Titans. 380 KKR. 400 Titans. 400. 420 with KKR. 440 Titans. 460 KKR. 480 Titans. 500 lakhs. 500 lakhs. 525. 525. Gujarat Tech. 550. David Warner. 550 for KKR. David Warner at 550 lakhs. Right now the bid is with KKR. Okay, Mumbai Indians at 550, 575. 575, Mumbai Indians has the bid. 575, Mumbai Indians has the bid. Okay. 575, David Warner. The bid is now with Mumbai Indians. No new bidders in the house. So Mumbai Indians at 575 lakhs. David Warner. Go. The next player from the list is player number 13, Harry Brook. Harry Brook, England batsman. I'm asking just a mere amount of 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs. Lucknow Super Giants. Lucknow Super Giants. 220 CSK. 220 CSK. 240 LSG. 260 CSK. 280. 300. 320. 340. 360 LSG. LSG 360. 380 CSK. 400 LSG. 420 CSK. 440 LSG. 440 LSG as the current bid of for Harry Brook. 460. Is there anyone with 480? Is there anyone with 480? No bids. Okay. 480. Gujarat Titans 500. 520. 525. 550. 575. 600 with LSG. 600 lakhs. LSG has the current bid. 600 lakhs. Okay. 625. GT. GT has the current bid. Okay. 650. LSG is back. 675. GT. 700 lakhs. Okay. GT is out. 700 lakhs. Harry Brook. The current bid is 700 lakhs. Harry Brook for 700. No other bids. Player is Aiden Markram, player number 16. Aiden Markram. For Aiden Markram, I'm asking just 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs for Aiden Markram. Aiden, Chennai Super Kings now with 200 lakhs. Chennai Super Kings, Aiden Markram, the South African batsman. Aiden Markram. 220. Punjab Kings. Punjab Kings 240 CSK. 260 Punjab. 280 CSK. 300. 320. 340. 360. 380. 400. 420. 420. 440. Okay. 460. 480. Okay, 480. The current bid is with Chennai Super Kings for Aiden Markram at 480. Do we have any new bidder? 480. 500 lakhs. Gujarat Titans for Aiden Markram. 500 lakhs. Current bid is with Gujarat Titans. Is there any more bid? Aiden Markram. No new bids. I can't see any bids. For 500 lakhs, Aiden Markram going to Gujarat Titans is player number 15, Jake Fraser McGurk. For Jake Fraser McGurk, I am asking 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs. Okay, Delhi Capitals, first bid, Delhi Capitals, 200 lakhs. Punjab Kings at 220, 240, 260, 80, 300 lakhs. 320, 340, 360, 380, 400 lakhs. 420, 440, 460, 480, 500 lakhs. 525, 525. Current bid is with Delhi Capitals. 550 lakhs. 575, 600 lakhs. Punjab Kings. 625, 650, 675, 700 lakhs. Punjab Kings. Okay, Delhi Capitals 725. Okay, Punjab Kings is out. For 725, the current bid is with Delhi Capitals. Is there any new bidder? 725, Jake Fraser McGurk. 725 lakhs. No new bidder. Okay, Punjab Kings back with 750 lakhs. 750 lakhs. 775, Delhi Capitals. 800 lakhs. Punjab Kings. Delhi having discussion. We have current bid is with Punjab Kings for Jake Fraser McGurk at 800 lakhs. Do we have any updates? DC 825. Okay, Punjab Kings is out. Is there any new bidder? At 825, current bid is okay. 850 Mumbai Indians for Jake Fraser McGurk. Now Delhi Capitals is out. 850 Mumbai Indians. 850 Mumbai Indians. Is there any new bid? So for 850 lakhs, Jake Fraser McGurk going to Mumbai Indians. Coming up in the auction is player number 17, Devdutt Padikkal. For Devdutt Padikkal, I am asking just 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs for Devdutt Padikkal. Okay, RCB 200 lakhs. Devdutt Padikkal for 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs. Okay, Chennai, sorry, KKR. KKR is up with 200 lakhs. 220, 240, 260, 280, 280. Sunrisers Hyderabad 280, 300 lakhs. RR 320, SRH 320, SRH 320, SRH. For Devdutt Padikkal, the current bid is 320 lakhs with SRH. 340 Delhi Capitals. 360 SRH. 380 Delhi Capitals. 400 lakhs. Sunrisers Hyderabad 400 lakhs. DC need more time. DC is out. Okay. So for 400 lakhs, the current bid is with SRH for Devdutt Padikkal. Is there any new bid? 400 lakhs for Devdutt Padikkal. No new bidder in the house. For 400 lakhs, Devdutt Padikkal going to SRH. So, here is player number 18, Rahul Tripathi. For Rahul Tripathi, I am asking just 75 lakhs. 75 lakhs. 75 lakhs. LSG is ready with 75 lakhs. Okay, SRH 80 lakhs. SRH 80 lakhs. LSG 85. 85 lakhs LSG. 90 lakhs SRH. 95 LSG. 100 lakhs. 110. 120. 130. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200 lakhs. SRH 220, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300 lakhs. LSG 320, 340, 360, 380, 400 lakhs. SRH 420, 500 lakhs. 500 lakhs for Rahul Tripathi. 525, 525 LSG as the current bid for Rahul Tripathi. 525 for Rahul Tripathi. Lucknow Super Giants has the current bid. SRH is out. Do we have any new bidder? No new bidder in the house. So Rahul Tripathi going to Lucknow Super Giants for 525 lakhs. Player number 14, Devon Conway. For Devon Conway, I am asking just 200 lakhs. Devon Conway at 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs Delhi Capitals. Delhi Capitals is there. 200, 220, 240, 240 currently Delhi Capitals is there. 240 wait. CSK, can we expect 260 from you? 240 is the current bid. 240. Can we expect a bid for 260? 260 LSG. 280 Delhi Capitals. 280 Delhi Capitals. That's the bid. 280. Okay, 300. 300 LSG. 320. 340. 360. 380 LSG. 400 lakhs. Delhi Capitals. 400 lakhs. 420. 440. 440 lakhs. Delhi Capitals. Having Devon Conway. 460 lakhs. 460. Lucknow Super Giants. 480 Delhi Capitals. 500 lakhs. 525. 525. Delhi Capitals. 525. Lucknow Super Giants. Okay, new bidders 5 at 550. Punjab Kings. 575. Delhi Capitals. Again has the bid for Devon Conway at 575 lakhs. No more bidders seem to be interested. No more bidders for Devon Conway. Devon Conway at 575 lakhs. 600 lakhs. 600 lakhs Chennai Super Kings. Chennai Super Kings 600 lakhs. And a new bidder for Devon Conway. I'm asking just 600 lakhs is the new current bid. Is there any 625? Do we have anyone at 625? Devon Conway at 600 lakhs going to Chennai Super Kings. So the next round is for cap all-rounder 1 and players. Let's check who comes first. Player number 20, Ravichandran Ashwin. Player number 20, Ravichandran Ashwin. For Ashwin, I am asking just 200 lakhs. Cap all-rounder Ravichandran Ashwin at 200 lakhs. At 200 lakhs, Ravichandran Ashwin. Do we have any bid? Punjab Kings, 200 lakhs. 220. 220 Delhi Capitals. 240 Punjab Kings. 260 RR. Rajasthan Royals at 260. 280 Punjab Kings. 280, 300. RR is back. 320. 340. 340 Rajasthan Royals for Ravichandran Ashwin. Ravichandran Ashwin 340. 360 Punjab Kings. 380. 380 Rajasthan Royals. This seems quite interesting for Ravichandran Ashwin at 380. Punjab Kings at 400 lakhs. Punjab Kings at 400 lakhs. 420. 420 Rajasthan Royals. Okay. Punjab Kings at 440. 460 Rajasthan Royals. 480 Punjab Kings. 500 lakhs. 500 lakhs Rajasthan Royals for Ravichandran Ashwin. 525 Punjab Kings. Punjab Kings at 525. 550 Rajasthan Royals. Wonderful. 575 Punjab Kings. They are also interested in Ravichandran Ashwin. 575 is the current bid from Punjab Kings. Rajasthan Royals. Rajasthan Royals, are you interested at 600 lakhs? Welcome back. 600 lakhs. Rajasthan Royals has the current bid for 600 lakhs. 625. Punjab Kings. 625. Punjab Kings. Punjab Kings 625. 650. Rajasthan Royals back again. 650. For Ravichandran Ashwin. 675. 675. 700 lakhs. 700 lakhs. Ravichandran Ashwin. 700 lakhs. Ravichandran Ashwin. The current bid is with Rajasthan Royals. Let me check. Punjab Kings 725. 725 lakhs. For Ravichandran Ashwin, the current bid is with Punjab Kings at 750 from Rajasthan Royals. 750. Rajasthan Royals bid for Ravichandran Ashwin 775. Punjab Kings. Both the parties seems quite interested. 775 Punjab Kings. Rajasthan Royals is out. 775 for Punjab Kings. Ravichandran Ashwin. Do we have any other bidder? Do we have any new bidder for Ravichandran Ashwin? For 775 lakhs, Ravichandran Ashwin going to Punjab Kings. So, player coming up is player number 24, Harshal Patel. For Harshal Patel, I am asking just 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs for Harshal Patel. Yes, LSG seems interested at 200 lakhs for Harshal Patel. 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs for Harshal Patel. Do we have any other bid? Do we have any other party? 220. Delhi Capitals. 240 LSG. 260. 280. 300 lakhs. 320. 340. 360. 380. 400. 420. 440, 460, 480, 500 lakhs. Delhi Capitals has 500 lakhs for Harshal Patel. Let me check if LSG is quite interested now also. The current bid is 500 lakhs for Harshal Patel. Is there any other bid? 525. Welcome back. LSG. Lucknow Super Giants. They are the most interested one till now for Harshal Patel. Let's see another bidder in the house. For 525, LSG has the maximum bid for Harshal Patel. Do we have anyone for 550? No. For 525, Harshal Patel is going to Lucknow Super Giants. The next player coming up is player number 26, Marcus Stoinis, Australian all-rounder. I am asking just 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs for Marcus Stoinis. Okay. 200 lakhs for Marcus Stoinis. Punjab Kings seems interested at 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs Punjab Kings. 220 Delhi Capitals. 240 Punjab Kings. 216. 280. 300 lakhs. Delhi Capitals has the current bid. 300 lakhs. 320. 340, 360, 380, 400 lakhs, 420, 40, 60, 80, 500 lakhs. 500 lakhs, the current bid is with Delhi Capitals at 500 lakhs. 525 from Punjab Kings, 550 Delhi Capitals, 575 Punjab Kings, 575, okay. 600 lakhs from Delhi Capitals, 625. 625, okay. 650, 675, 700 lakhs. 700 lakhs, okay. 725 from Punjab Kings. Delhi Capitals 750, okay. Now back again Punjab 775, 775 Punjab Kings Marcus Stoinis, 775 Punjab Kings. Punjab Kings RCB came with 800 lakhs. 800 lakhs RCB. Do we have okay Punjab Kings 825. 825. Again the current bid is with Punjab. Rajasthan Royals at 850. 875 for Punjab Kings. 875, 900 lakhs, 925, 950, 975, 1000 lakhs. Rajasthan 1025, 1050, 1075, 1075 Punjab Kings. Rajasthan back again with 1000, okay, 1100 lakhs for Rajasthan Royals. 1100 lakhs, Rajasthan Royals. Rajasthan. Rajasthan is out. Do we have any other bidder? Do we have any new bidder in the house? At 11:25, Marcus Stoinis is going to Punjab Kings. Player number 22, Mitchell Mars, Australian all-rounder Mitchell Mars. I'm asking just 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs for Mitchell Mars. Do we have any bid? Punjab Kings has started the bid with 200 lakhs. 220 Delhi Capitals. 220 for Delhi Capitals. 240 Punjab Kings. 260 Delhi Capitals. 280 Punjab Kings. 300 lakhs. 320. 340. 60. 80. 400 lakhs. 420. 440. 460. 480. 500 lakhs Delhi Capitals. 525 Punjab Kings. 550. 550 Delhi Capitals. 575. 575. 600 lakhs Delhi Capitals. 625. 650 Punjab Kings. Are you going for 625? 650 current bid is with Delhi Capitals. 650. 675. 675. 700 lakhs. 725. 750. 750. 775 lakhs. 775. Okay, 800 lakhs Delhi Capitals. 825. 850. 875. 875 Punjab Kings. Maximum bid till now for Mitchell Mars. Delhi having discussion for Mitchell Mars. At 775 we have the current bid. 775. Delhi. Delhi are you out? Okay. Rajasthan Royals the new bidder at 800 lakhs. 800 lakhs. 825. 825. 850. 875. 900 lakhs. Rajasthan Royals at 900 lakhs. 925. 925. 950. 950. Rajasthan Royals has the highest bid. 950. Punjab Kings is out. Do we have any new bidder for Mitchell Mars? Mitchell Mars at 950. Do we have any new bidders? No. So at 950 lakhs, Mitchell Mars is going to Rajasthan Royals. So the option is player number 23, Glenn Maxwell, Australian all-rounder. Glenn Maxwell. And I'm asking just 200 lakhs. Chennai Super Kings at 200 lakhs. SRH 220. 240. Chennai Super Kings. 240. No. 240. 260. 280. 300 lakhs Punjab Kings. 300 lakhs Punjab Kings. 320. 320 with Chennai Super Kings. Chennai. Okay. 340. Punjab Kings 340. 360. 380. 380 Punjab Kings. 400 lakhs. Chennai Super Kings. 420. Punjab Kings. 420. 440. Chennai Super Kings. 460 Punjab. Punjab Kings. 460. 480. 500 lakhs. Punjab Kings. 500 lakhs. For Glenn Maxwell, Australian all-rounder. 500 lakhs. 525 SRH for Glenn Maxwell. 550 Punjab Kings. 575. 600 lakhs Punjab Kings. 625. 625. 650. 650 lakhs. 675. 675. Okay, 700 lakhs Punjab Kings at 700 lakhs for Glenn Maxwell. SRH is out. The current bid for Glenn Maxwell is 700 lakhs. DC back with 725. 750. Punjab Kings 750. 775. 800 lakhs. 825. 825. 850. 825. 900 lakhs. 900 lakhs. Punjab Kings for Glenn Maxwell. Australian all-rounder, we have 900 lakhs. Punjab Kings. 900 lakhs. Delhi Capitals. Do we have any bid? 925. 925 Delhi Capitals. 925. Delhi Capitals has the maximum bid till now. For Glenn Maxwell, 950. Punjab Kings. Punjab Kings, 950 lakhs for Glenn Maxwell. Delhi Capitals. Do you still have chance for 925? No. Till now, Glenn Maxwell Kings Punjab Kings has 950 lakhs. Is there 975? No 975 lakhs. So for 950 lakhs, Glenn Maxwell going to Punjab Kings. So the next player for the auction is player number 21, Venkatesh Iyer. Is an Indian all-rounder. Venkatesh Iyer. I am asking just 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs. Punjab Kings. 200 lakhs. For Venkatesh Iyer. 200 lakhs. 220 Delhi Capitals. 220 for Venkatesh Iyer. 240 Punjab Kings. 260 Delhi Capitals. 280. 280 Punjab Kings. 300 lakhs. 320. 320. 340. 360. 380. 400 lakhs. 420. 420 Delhi Capitals for Venkatesh Iyer. 440 Punjab Kings. 460. 480. 500 lakhs Delhi Capitals. 525 Punjab Kings. 550. 575. 600 lakhs. 625. 650. 635. 7 lakhs. 725. 725 Punjab Kings for Venkatesh Iyer. 700 lakhs. 725 KKR. 725. 725. 750. 750 the bid was with Punjab Kings. Now 775 for KKR. KKR at 775. KKR at 775. Okay, Punjab Kings is up. For 775 we have Venkatesh Iyer. The maximum bid with KKR. 775 lakhs. Do we have any more bidder? I don't see any new bids for Venkatesh Iyer. Going to KKR at 775 lakhs, please. For wicket keeper, cap 1. Number 25, Rachin Ravindran. He's a New Zealand's all-rounder. I'm asking just 1.5 CR. 1.5 okay. Gujarat Titans, 150 lakhs, 160, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200 lakhs, 220, 240, 60, 80, 300 lakhs, 320, 40, 60, 80, 400 lakhs, 420, 440, 60, 80, 500 lakhs, Gujarat Titans, 525, 550, 575, 600 lakhs. Gujarat Titans at 600 lakhs for Rachin Ravindran. 600 lakhs. Do we have any new bid? 625 Delhi Capitals. 625, 650, 675 Delhi Capitals. 700 lakhs. 725, 725, 800 lakhs. 800, 825 Gujarat Titans. Do we have 850 lakhs bid? No. Currently at 825 lakhs, Rachin Ravindran. We have Gujarat Titans with maximum bid of 825 lakhs. At 825 lakhs, Rachin Ravindran going to Gujarat Titans. RTM, okay. For Rachin Ravindran at 850 lakhs. 850 lakhs. Gujarat Titans. What is the revised bid? Do we have any? 9 crore. 9 CR. Okay, 900 lakhs. Going to. For wicket keeper, cap 1. Let me check who comes first. The first player coming into the poll is player 29, Ramanullah Gurbaz. Ramanullah Gurbaz, player number 29 at 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs, gentlemen. 220 KKR, 240, 260, 280. Punjab Kings, KKR at 300, 320, 340, 360, 360 lakhs. Punjab Kings has the bid. 360 lakhs. 360 lakhs. Punjab Kings has the bid. for Ramanullah Gurbaz. Lucknow is sorry. KKR is out. KKR is out at 360 lakhs. Ramanullah Gurbaz. Lucknow Super Kings at 380. Sorry, Lucknow Super Giants. Punjab Kings 400 lakhs. 420. Lucknow Super Giants. 440 Punjab Kings. 460 Lucknow Super Giants. 480 lakhs. 500 lakhs LSG. Punjab is out at 500 lakhs. We have Ramanullah Gurbaz. Do we have any other bids? No new bidder in the house. For 500 lakhs, Ramanullah Gurbaz is going to Lucknow Super Giants at 525. Gujarat Titans 525. Gujarat Titans. Let me check. LSG, do we have any bids? No. At 525, Gujarat Titans is up for Ramanullah Gurbaz. Nice. No new bidders in the house. At 525. 525. Ramanullah Gurbaz going to Gujarat Titans. For the auction is player number 31, Phil Salt. Player number 31. I am asking just 200 lakhs. Punjab Kings at 200 lakhs. 220 LSG. 240 Punjab Kings. 260. 280. 300 lakhs. 320. 340. 316. 318. 400 lakhs. 420. 440. 460. 480. 500 lakhs. Punjab Kings at 525 back. 550. 575 Punjab Kings. 600 lakhs LSG. 625. 650. 675. 700 lakhs. 725. 750 LSG with 750 lakhs. 750 lakhs LSG has been completed for Phil Salt. 775 Punjab Kings. 800 lakhs LSG. 800 lakhs LSG has been completed for Phil Salt. 800 lakhs. 825. 850. 875. 875 Punjab Kings. 875 Punjab Kings. 875. 900 lakhs. 1,900. 925. 950. 925. 1,000 lakhs. 1,000 lakhs. 1,000 lakhs. 1,000 lakhs. 1,025. 1,050. India for Phil Salt. 1,050. 1,035 Punjab Kings. 1,035 Punjab Kings for Phil Salt. They seem quite determined. Do we have bid for 1,100? Do we have 1,100 lakhs? KKR for Phil Salt. 1,100 lakhs for Phil Salt. The bid is with KKR. Punjab Kings. Do we have a bid of 1,125? No bids. No new bidder also. For 1,125. Phil Salt. 1,100. Okay. 1,125 Punjab Kings is back. 1,125 Punjab Kings back. Is someone with 1,150? Is there anyone? KKR. 1,150. 1,150 KKR for Phil Salt. 1,150 KKR. Punjab Kings, do we have any bid? No. Punjab is out. Do we have any new bidder for Phil Salt? Currently is bidding at 1,150 lakhs. 1,150 lakhs. At 1,150 lakhs, Phil Salt going to KKR. For the auction is player 28, Quentin de Kock. Player 28, Quentin de Kock. And I am asking just 200 lakhs. Chennai Super Kings at 200 lakhs. 220. 220. 240. 260. 280. 300 lakhs. Punjab Kings. 320. 340. 360. 380. 400 lakhs. 420. 420. 420 lakhs. 420 lakhs, 440 lakhs, Chennai Super Kings, 460. 460 with Punjab Kings, 460, Punjab Kings, 480 lakhs, Chennai Super Kings. Do we have a bid of 500 lakhs? Yes, 500 lakhs, Chennai Super Kings is the highest bid till now, appointed Deepak. Punjab Kings, beg your pardon, Punjab Kings for 500 lakhs is the maximum bid till now, Punjab Kings. CSK is discussing. CSK is out. Appointed Deepak. Do we have any new bidder? Okay, Delhi Capitals 525. 525. 550. 525. 600 lakhs. Punjab Kings. 600 lakhs. 625 Delhi Capitals. 650 Punjab Kings. 650 Punjab Kings. 675 Delhi Capitals. Do we have a 700 bid? Yes, Punjab Kings. 725. 725. Delhi Capitals. 725. Do we have any new bidder? Punjab Kings is out. 725. No new bids. 750 lakhs. Punjab Kings again. 750 lakhs. Do we have any new bid? Delhi Capitals. Do we have a bid of 775? 775. Delhi Capitals. 775 as the maximum bid. Appointed Deepak. No new bids. At 775, appointed Deepak going to Delhi Capitals. For the auction is Ishan Kishan. Player number 30, Ishan Kishan. I am asking just 200 lakhs for Ishan Kishan. Punjab Kings, 200 lakhs. Delhi Capitals, 220, 240. 260, 280, 300 lakhs, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400 lakhs Punjab Kings, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500 lakhs, 525, 550, 75, 600 lakhs, 625, 650, 675, 700 lakhs. 700 lakhs. Delhi Capitals. 725 Punjab Kings. Punjab Kings at 725. We don't have any new bidder. 725. Punjab Kings. Delhi Capitals is out. Do we have any new bidders? 725. No new bidders since. At 725. Ishan Kishan. At 725 going to Delhi Capitals. Punjab Kings at 725. At 725, Punjab Kings as Ishan Kishan. At 725, Ishan Kishan is going to Punjab Kings. For the auction is player number 32, Jitesh Sharma. Jitesh Sharma for 100 lakhs. SRH at 100 lakhs. 110, 120, 130, 140, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200 lakhs, 220, 240, LSG 260, 280, 300 lakhs, 320, 240, 60, 80, 400 lakhs, 400 lakhs for 400 lakhs. The current bid with Sunrisers Hyderabad for Jitesh Sharma, 420 Mumbai Indians. Mumbai Indians 440. Sunrisers Hyderabad 440. 460 MI. 480. 500 lakhs. 520. 540. 550. 575. 575 lakhs for Sunrisers Hyderabad. 600 lakhs. Mumbai Indians 625. SRH at 625. MI is out for Jitesh Sharma. 625 lakhs. Sunrisers Hyderabad. Do we have any new bidders? Do we have any new bidders? At 650, Delhi Capitals. 675. 700 lakhs. 725. 750. 725. 800 lakhs. 800 lakhs. Delhi Capitals. SRH is out. 800 lakhs. 800 lakhs. 27. Do we have any new bidders? 800 lakhs for Delhi Capitals. Going to go. The next player is player number 27, Johnny Bairstow. Johnny Bairstow. Is to player number 27, Johnny Bairstow. He is English wicketkeeper. I am asking just 200 lakhs. GT at 200 lakhs. Gujarat Titans 220. Punjab Kings 240 GT 260 280 300 lakhs. 320 320 GT 340 Delhi Capitals 360 363 80 380 Delhi Capitals. Johnny Bairstow. English wicketkeeper Johnny Bairstow at 360. Delhi Capitals. They have the maximum bid for Johnny Bairstow. 380. Gujarat Titans is back. Gujarat Titans 380. Do we have a 400 bid? Do we have a 400 bid? No. Delhi Capitals is out. Any new bidder in the house? No. 380. 380 is the bid for Johnny Bairstow.